What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. This video is going to be fire. I'm pumped to show you guys this. So for this video, we're going to be talking about Facebook ads, affiliate marketing in Q4. If you do not know what Q4 is, Q4 is Black Friday, Christmas, these next couple months where people are buying like crazy. There's so many different products that you could actually promote and get a ton of sales. But more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly some offers that you can promote in Q4 that are Facebook compliant that I would actually recommend promoting. I mean, just get started. I mean, if you have not started CPA marketing, running Facebook ads or running Bing ads, choosing traffic stores, I'm going to show you some offers that you can actually promote. But at the end of this video, I'm going to talk about a bonus and give you guys a hint on what kind of content we're going to be covering next week. But I'm actually excited for that, so stay to the end of this video and drop a like on this. But more than anything, let's dive right in.
Yeah, hey, I work hard every motherfucking day,
So I'm excited to show everybody this strategy. So the very first thing you have to understand for Q4 is that you're going to be getting sales because it's going to be Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas. That is all around the corner. So the first thing to recognize for Q4 is that it's Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas. This is around the corner. So first thing that you have to do is understand what affiliate marketers are doing on Facebook ads at first. Now, I'm going to be showing you the strategy with Facebook ads. Now, in terms of this, people are going to be doing shopping online. So with this strategy, you're going to make sure you're going to want to have a landing page. I recommend using ClickFunnels if you're going to be using landing pages. There's other landing page builders out there. Now, some easy offers to promote would be electronics, gadgets. Those offers will work well for this strategy. Now, it's pretty interesting to see what affiliate marketers are doing. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to actually show you a real example of what affiliates are doing right now. So what I'm going to do, let's jump into Facebook so I can show you this. So I want you to pay close attention to this. This was posted October 6th. Now, we're in November now, so this was not far. So this person is pre-gaming for their strategy now. Now, pay very close attention. 23 awesome products that are borderline genius. So as you see, they're using an image. It's grabbing the people's attention. It's pattern interruption. So people are scrolling on their news feed and they're saying, okay, they make the perfect gifts for friends, loved ones, and even yourself. So as you know, with Black Friday, with Cyber Monday and Christmas, people are buying gifts for each other. So they're grabbing that attention of someone who wants to get someone a gift. So these people are coming to buy something potentially for a friend or family member. So let's just take a quick look at what some of these comments are. This makes me think of you. C number 7, pretty cool. There's like 10 things on there that's perfect for Xmas. So that means it's perfect for Christmas. So these, now I'm really pumped to show you guys this landing page. So let me just jump into it and show you what these guys are doing. So I actually found a couple landing pages. So what these people are doing are they're setting up landing pages. Now this can easily be set up with any of your landing page builders. So what they're aiming on is they're using multiple affiliate products to promote because people are going to be reading through this article and they know it's the best XYZ amount of gifts to actually get. So if they see one that resonates with them, they will click and buy. So now let's actually scroll down through here because one of these in particular caught my attention. So you can actually look up and find where you can find these affiliate offers. A lot of these are in CPA networks. So if you're not in an affiliate network, go apply today. But, you know, read through here. Look, they have a call to action. They're saying get 35% off by using our link. So they're trying to keep their Facebook audience by using their affiliate link instead of them going to Google or Bing and searching it themselves, looking for reviews. So they're trying to keep it exclusive. So use my link to actually get this. This crash safe, I actually found someone actually crushing it with this, which I will show you that also. But as we can see, these are all e-commerce products. But pay close attention. Now take a look at this T1200 flashlight. Now this is actually an affiliate product right here. Now this product, you can find this in above all offers, and most affiliate networks have flashlight offers, but as you see, they're referring to this as a tactical flashlight. So imagine if you were actually running this offer. So let me actually show you this. In above all offers, they have a survival section. So as you can see that these people are putting in the top 23 products, the top 20 gifts for Xmas or holidays. Now, as we see, we can find these products in here. So this tactical pen pays out $52 per sale. So you can actually find these products. These are physical products that will ship to people when they purchase. So by the way, if you're getting a ton of value from this, drop a like on this video and let me know what you think so far and if you like seeing videos just like this. But now that's one strategy of a landing page. So we see this one. You can scroll through here and find more affiliate products, more e-commerce products in here. But these people are going to buy this for a gift for someone or maybe even themselves. But now check out this. 23 of the most successful products from the show. So now this person's taking the similar angle. Now look at the aspect of this landing page. I have some more social proof on here. As you can see, this is number 2, but you can actually scroll through all of these landing pages and actually see what affiliate offers are actually promoting. But I'm really pumped to show you guys this because this is something I don't see a lot of people talking about or actually doing. But this is something I'm really excited to share because you guys probably hear about there's affiliates out there crushing it in Q4, but no one's really talking about what's working, what can they promote. But this is a real example. This person on Facebook, let's go back to Facebook. They set up this Facebook ad right here, and then they're running traffic. They're bringing people to those landing pages. But one final recap. So let's just go back to above all offers. So make sure you log into your affiliate network and go through every niche because some of these could work for that same strategy. 23 mind-blowing products or gifts for friends or family around holidays. So home products is one category you can look in. Survival products themselves, you can come here and look. Let's actually look through some of these. Wider smile. Let's see. So we have some more products. So essentially, this is how the funnel is going to look, just so we're all on the same page and you guys can get started on implementing and testing some of this coming up soon. So essentially, we're going to have our Facebook ad. And now keep in mind, you're going to want to make sure you have a clickbait image for that thumbnail. As you see, for the top 23 products, top 20 products for friends, for Christmas, for Black Friday, or Cyber Monday coming up. Now, what you're going to have to do now, keep this in mind. You're going to have to send people right over to the landing page. Now, I don't want anyone to get this part confused, but every time, let's just say, you know, number 1 is the flashlight. So I'll just put the flashlight. And number 2 is the e-commerce product. So each of these links are going to have to go to the affiliate link of that actual product. So this will lead to the flashlight funnel, the flashlight affiliate offer. This will lead to the car charger affiliate product. Now, one thing that I want you guys to do is if you're going to use this strategy and implement it, reach out to your AM. So you need to reach out to your affiliate manager. So right now, your affiliate manager, they know what are the hottest e-com products, what traffic sources those e-com products are even crushing it in. So if you haven't reached out to your affiliate manager, now this can work for any affiliate network. So if you're in Peerfly, Above All Offers, Max Bounty, reach out to the AMs because also when you make money, they make money. So just ask them like, hey, what are some hot products converting in e-commerce right now? So I hope you guys are getting a ton of value from this, by the way. And hopefully I did not show someone who's subscribed to me's landing page in this video. But anyways, thank you for watching this video. I appreciate everyone coming in to hang out and take the time out of your day to watch my content. But anyways, if you haven't joined my private Facebook group, Entrepreneur Affiliates, make sure to come join. There's a link below this video. But anyways, thank you for watching and have a great day.
I was just starving in them apartments. This shit feel like yesterday. I was just going to sleep on some carpet. This shit feel like yesterday. I ran my bands up and know I'm not sorry, so I ain't feeling like yesterday. Niggas saying they gon' rob me. I heard the same.